So just taking a quick look at Ethereum then on our daily time frame for another daily update on the channel. As we can see, Ethereum here looking really good, to be honest, reversing back through these fair value gaps. I did say if we reverse back through this fair value gap a few weeks ago that it was likely that we were going to go back up to the highs. You can see this fair value gap here was the one that was holding down price. We had this big fair value gap here as well, which we've also broken that right now and inversed, which is really interesting. This is also a daily fair value gap which has been inversed. So overall, Ethereum here looking really good. We've got this trend line liquidity above as well, which we are starting to sweep out. You can imagine there's tons of stop losses above these levels, which are all slowly getting swept out here, following Bitcoin to the upside currently. But obviously Ethereum's got its own story to tell in terms of its particular chart. And you can see here, I thought once we came down, swept liquidity below this area. You can see that's quite clear. We formed that fair value gap on the 4 hour, and you can see over that weekend we were quite, obviously as usually happens on the weekend, we have very low volatility. But once we saw this move to the upside on Sunday, this is a big light bulb green candle to the upside above this fair value gap. I entered on this move when we closed back above the fair value gap because I basically knew that we were going to go up here. We retested, we came up, we tested this fair value gap, we came back down, retested, and then you can see on Wednesday with Bitcoin having a really bullish day. Very again, light bulb, massive move to the upside candle, ripping through these resistances, moving to the upside. We come up to tap the trend line. We had a little bit of chopping around at the trend line, but you can see here we've been grinding up through these levels since then. With Bitcoin being so bullish, you can see that we've basically just been ripping through these resistances one way or another, and now on the daily time frame just looking really good. We've inversed that final fair value gap here that was holding down price. We've fully reversed all of the losses that we saw for Ethereum last week, and right now looking like it's in a position to come up, rip through these levels of liquidity back to the highs, and probably back to a new all-time high, to be honest. As you can see here, Ethereum did make a new all-time high, which was, what was this, about a month, 5 weeks ago. We came up and hit that $4,500-ish area. Didn't quite make it to 5k, but you can see here Bitcoin looking like it's probably going to drag Ethereum up towards its highs again, probably back to a new all-time high here by the looks of things. Ethereum looking really strong right now. This is looking like very obvious accumulation, manipulation and distribution for me, and we're currently distributing back towards this high at the very least, probably towards a new all-time high. Overall, Ethereum here looking really strong, and I think Bitcoin's going to keep dragging it to the upside, so let's see what happens next. As always guys, thanks a lot for watching. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment down below, let me know your thoughts. Check back every day for daily updates and get some free money in the description below. Cheers.